What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the absolute best software to use to sell your wholesale deals. Guys, there's a lot of tools out there in order to help you find the deals, but when it comes to actually selling them to cash buyers, where you actually get paid, there's not that many tools out there to help you do it, right? People say, sell your deals on real estate Facebook groups, or call local cash buyers, or go to meetups and try to find a local investor. But there's nothing really that changes the game when it comes to selling your deals. Yeah, that's right, until InvestorLift was created. Guys, InvestorLift is the #1 platform when it comes to selling your wholesale deals, and it is the main thing that we use to sell our deals. And I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how powerful this platform is. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you. And by the way, guys, if you want to sign up for InvestorLift, there's going to be a link down below in the description for you to sign up for InvestorLift, and you are going to be able to get a 10% discount if you use my code that's in the description down below. So make sure to go down to the link below and sign up for InvestorLift. But let's jump into the demo of the platform. So first off, when you log into InvestorLift, you are going to be at the dashboard. This is where you're going to be able to see how many deals you're working. And this is a demo account that I'm showing you right now, but this is where you're going to be able to see how many deals you're working, how many offers has come in, how many offers you've accepted, how many new leads, how much assignment fees you've made, how many new buyers you've added to your list, and how many emails and texts you've sent out to buyers as far as marketing your deal. So every stat that you want to know about what's going on the disposition side of your wholesale business is tracked right here, which is super amazing. Next, we go to users. That's just where you store the different team members that are part of your company and give them access to log into InvestorLift. Now we go into God mode. Guys, this is a complete game changer when it comes to selling your wholesale deals. What it does is it lets you search up any property that you are trying to sell, and it's going to show you every property in the area that's been flipped around it, right? And so it's going to show you what they bought the property for and what they sold it for and how much money they made. And it's going to tell you who they are. And it's going to give you their phone number to call them. So you're going to be able to directly see what flippers are doing in the area and what they're doing with these deals, how much they're paying for them. So that way you know how much they'll buy your deal for. And it's showing you the exact people in your area that are flipping houses. So it's showing you the exact buyers, pinpointing them for you, so you can call them up right away and sell your deal to them as easy as that. So God mode is a complete game changer. You're able to click and see all the flips going on in the area and call those buyers up that are doing the deals. So let's say I get a deal on 123 Main Street, and I go into God mode. It's going to show me the buyers that bought the deals and flipped them the street over on 124 Main Street. And if they bought a deal on 124 Main Street and flipped it, they probably also want to buy a deal on 123 Main Street. So you can simply pinpoint the buyer that's buying deals right in that neighborhood and sell them it just like that with God mode. So it's a complete game changer. Next, we go into analytics. Because most wholesalers are using InvestorLift nationwide, you're going to be able to see all the analytics of what are the best markets and how many deals are being done in each market. So flip volume by city. As we can see in Q4 of 2023, Houston, Texas had the most flips. So that's probably a good market to do deals in. A ton of deals are happening there. You're going to be able to see all these metrics. You're going to be able to see profit by state. So if you want to see the average amount of money you're going to make and you want to go into a market where you're going to be able to make a lot of money, you're going to be able to see all those metrics. It does all of that for you guys. So if you want the data on the wholesaling industry, InvestorLift gives it to you. Next, we go into properties. This is where you post all your properties you have for sale. So once you have a new property that you want to sell, you just click Create Property. You're going to be able to fill out all the information right there, and it's going to create a listing for you. So as you can see, this is an example of a property that we are trying to sell, or that you'd be trying to sell, and all the info is right there. It's all filled out, and then we can go ahead and we can view the published deal. This deal is going to get posted to your deal website. Yeah, InvestorLift gives you your own deal website to sell your deals. And as you can see, all the photos are going to be there, all the information, and buyers are going to be able to directly make an offer in on your deal. And then those offers will go ahead and they'll show up here. Any inquiries of people reaching out on the deal will show up there. and then all the marketing campaigns that you've done. So this deal, we sent out 1,800 emails, and we're able to see the click-through rate and how many buyers have reached out on the deal. And we're able to go ahead and create more campaigns. So if I wanted to create an email campaign, all I would do is create the subject, move on, and then I'm able to choose the buyers in the area that I want to email. So if I click send all, it's going to show me how many buyers are available in the area, and boom, I can blast emails to them directly, just like that. The next thing I want to show you is Artemis mode, hot buyers. This pinpoints the hot buyers that are active in the area. So what InvestorLift does is it tracks all the buyers' activity on the platform. So if buyers are clicking on deals in the area and reviewing and opening emails of other deals in the area, they're going to climb up on the list of hot buyers. And so if you're looking to sell your deal, you're going to want to be able to reach out to the most active buyers in that area. And that's what hot buyers Artemis mode does. You're going to be able to go in here and see what buyers are active in the area and call them up directly and try to sell them your deal. Guys, 9 out of 10 times, just calling 10 buyers on the Artemis mode, we sell our deal right away. Next is just where all the property inquiries of everybody reaching out on your deals is tracked. Buyers is where you store all your buyers and build out your buyers list. Offers is where all those offers are built. And then title companies. Guys, if you've ever struggled to find a title company that works with investors and does wholesale deals, well, InvestorLift tracks every title company that every wholesaler is using nationwide, and they give them to you so that way you know what title company to work with in whatever city or state. So if I search up any city across the country, it's going to give me the best title companies to work with that are awesome at closing wholesale deals, just like that. And then messages. This is where you can message back and forth with buyers. So guys, InvestorLift is a complete game changer. It is a complete game changer for your wholesaling business. When we got on InvestorLift, before we got onto the platform, our average assignment fee was around $17,000 per deal. Once we got on the InvestorLift platform, we started making $27,000 per deal. That's about $10,000 in increased profit per deal just by using the InvestorLift platform. Guys, InvestorLift is a complete game changer for your wholesaling business. If you haven't signed up for it yet, definitely do so. There's a link down below in the description for InvestorLift where you will get a 10% discount on the platform. And also on that website, there will be more information about the platform and a full in-depth demonstration and breakdown of the platform. It is a no-brainer, guys. We invest so much money in our marketing and in our sales, but when it comes to selling the deals, the dispositions part of the business, we don't invest as much money. And that department, that component of a wholesaling real estate business is just as important as the acquisitions department of the business. Once we acquire deals, we have to be able to sell them. And if there's a platform out there that helps us sell them fast and for more profit, it's a no-brainer to add that into your business in order to have more success. So I highly recommend that you guys go sign up for InvestorLift. Again, there's a link down below and a coupon code in the description down below. But if you guys liked this video and you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me reach more people and impact more lives, so I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe. But with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure to go sign up for InvestorLift and use the code JB. Thank you.